I've put the clues together. I've gotten to here. So now the question is, what style of detecting do I use? Do I go low and slow, or do I cover some ground? That's the big question. So follow along and I'll show you what's up. But first, let's talk about how I got here. I circled the map. This is a good region for finding gold. I found a place where there was old-timer signs. So I know there's gold here because the old-timers have searched for gold here. I even used LIDAR. I found this hillside that had old-timer holes on it. So there's my evidence right there. See that pit? That pit was dug by an old-timer. So I know that they were searching for gold here. But here's the problem with today. I've got some ground to cover. I'm still prospecting. I've got the prospect hole here that I've found, and ultimately I'm on a trail. I want to find more information out. Going low and slow is fantastic. That's a fantastic tactic, especially in an area where you already know that there's been gold nuggets, detectable nuggets found. It's a fantastic strategy because all you have to do is show up there and go over the ground, and everyone knows that there's been detecting sites where people have been finding gold for years. Today, I'm going to be thinking more along the lines of covering some ground with not going low and slow, because at this point, I haven't found any gold here yet. What I'm looking for here is an area that's going to produce gold. That's what it comes down to. So I'm going to lean more towards today of covering ground, moving along a little bit more quickly, and follow the trail of the old timers. So what I'm looking for today, I'm looking for that first piece of gold. Then I can consider going low and slow. These are the clues that my family has put into the Gold Panner Guide series. Gold Panner Guide series is a series of books that is designed to help you get past the first steps of prospecting and out in the field and understanding and knowing what you're looking for. That's what it comes down to. What are you looking for when you're in an old mining area, a historic zone, a district, whatever you want to call it, an area where there's been mining in the past? When you get there, you need to know what you're looking for. And that's what the books are full of, is full of all the clues. It helps you decipher what to look for, how to add it up, and where to start, basically. So that's what got me here today, and I want to share this with you. Found another prospect pit from the old timers. So it's kind of following up this ridge. There's kind of a ridge here. And sometimes that's a really good thing because gold has a tendency sometimes to stay on the ridge. On the sides, it'll slope down or follow the slope, and gravity will pull it down the hill. But on the very tip of the ridge, like the spine of the ridge, sometimes there's a chance for gold to be held right there because gravity hasn't pulled it one way or the other. Here's another prospecting pit coming up this ridge. So I know I'm on the right track here. Sure enough, as I climb up this ridge, I'm finding more old-timer prospect pits. So I believe I'm on the right path I'm following their trail. Well, I've maneuvered my way up this ridge and I found numerous test holes from the old timers. So they were definitely following something. I have detected my whole way up and I have not gone low and slow. I've just been cruising, looking for anything. And I did find a little scrap of metal. So that's more evidence that there was some old timers here working on this hillside. And it makes me think, how did I get here? Why am I here? It's because I followed the clues. And that's really what my family and I want to share with you, is the Gold Panner's Guide series, because it's full of knowledge and it's a wealth of information on this topic, on how to understand geology, understand the history, understand all the basics of prospecting. If you had gotten any value from this content, you know what to do. All right, have a great day.